Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with all of you a stock that is about to go crazy tomorrow and why y'all should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of this morning's pre-market analysis video, right after the intro. All right, y'all. Right off the bat, today was a good day. It was a good day. The market was uptrending, right? Again, it was kind of not showing what we wanted in the beginning. It dropped in the beginning of the day, like the first 2 hours, and then dip buyer stepped in heavy right over here and kept pushing the stock up and pushing the stock up all the way, just pushing the market up. And right now, we made new highs at around 39.60. And I don't think this is quite done yet. I think we can go a little bit higher. I think that we might even hit 39.80 tomorrow. I think we can hit that, all right? If not 39.90. So I'm still bullish on the market. And again, manage your risk as we're going up. Now, the stock that all of you should be keeping on your watch is the stock of this video. That stock is TLRY. All right, and for all of you who have been following me on Twitter, I did post about TLRY. Like I think it was this morning or in the middle of the day. I told y'all that TLRY looks very, very, very interesting. All right, and the reason why I say that is because of this. If you look at the daily chart right here, all right, first and foremost, the uptrend coming from after this downward trend right there. We're starting to uptrend with volume. Look at the bottom. Look at how, let me zoom out just a little bit. That way y'all can see what I'm talking about. Look at the way the volume is picking up and look at the way it's trending higher and higher. Short sellers from the top are worried right now. The short sellers who decided to stay short and not cover at these lows right here and not cover right over here, and who are still hoping for TLRY to crumble all the way down to like 12 bucks, right? These short sellers are very worried, and if it opens up higher, which I honestly think it will, I think we're gonna open probably at like 31.20. I think we're gonna open up right there, and then we're gonna make a strong move to the upside. $34 is possible. Let me change this to the 4-hour. $34 is a possibility. I think so, yeah. So watch this one for a move all the way up here. All right, watch this one for a move here. I think it may even move higher. I'm not bearish on TLRY and even all of the stock in this sector. Also, there's one more thing that I want to show y'all on this one. If you look very closely, like if you look very, very, very closely, there is a bullish pennant right here which actually broke out, and it's been going ever since, and it's not over yet. All right, so keep this one on your watches for long. The same thing applies for ACB. All right, and ACB, y'all remember this one. This one was an easy money play. There was a lot of money to be made over here to the long side and also to the short side. Again, right after earnings, it tanked. And y'all know how I do it. I don't like holding anything through earnings. But as of right now, the opportunity is there to make money to the long side. Just like this one, just like TLRY, and just like SNDL. Also, all stocks in this sector are moving in the same direction. Warning, SNDL has earnings on the 17th. Do not hold through earnings. Again, not financial advice. I'm just telling y'all what I am not doing. I'm not gonna hold anything at all through earnings. It's just not what I do. It's a 50-50 coin toss, and it's 150% gambling, as I always say here. So manage your risk accordingly, and don't get too greedy either. Right? So just watch this sector for tomorrow and the day after and the day after. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The very first one that we're gonna talk about. This stock looks good. This stock looks really, really, really good. And that one is LC, Lending Club, all right? In Lending Club, this thing took off for one simple reason. It broke out of a flag right over here, all right? The flag was there. The flag was perfect. It broke out and it just kept running, along with like I think along with all of the stocks in the Dow, meaning like your airline stuff. All right. So yeah, I don't think this thing is over yet. This is not something that I would want to short. I'm pretty sure short sellers are looking at this and want to go for it right here, right, to try to make money as it crumbles. I don't think that's a very good idea. I think you should be very, very patient with this one, because I do think it can run a bit more, probably to at least 20. I think we can get to at least 20, maybe even $22, or yeah, just somewhere over here. I would not want to short this one. So for the longs out there is an opportunity to still make some money on this if you missed like the appropriate entry, just literally anywhere over here. If you missed that one, it's okay. It may pull back slightly and continue to run and continue to climb. If you take a look at this one on a bigger scale, it's been crushed for a while, all right, and it's trying to recover. So there is some money to be made on this one right now. Let me change this one to the daily. Yeah, so there's some money to be made. I'm not bearish on this thing, and that is my very honest opinion of the stock for the person who asked about that today. The other stock that I want to follow up on, somebody asked about EXPR. And EXPR, not a penny stock. The option chain is nice. That's one thing. I like the option chain is very, very, very nice. I like this one. And I also like the chart too. I really, really, really do. It survived earnings, which is a wonderful sign, right? And it's scaring all of these short sellers right here. I'm pretty sure that it looks really heavily shorted. I don't know what the short flow percentage is on Yahoo Finance, but I'm pretty sure that it might be. It looks like it might be over 50, maybe over 70%. So watch this one for a potential short squeeze, probably to around $7, maybe even $8. I would not want to short this thing. It looks ready to squeeze a lot of shorts here. I would not want to short this thing. Again, if you're playing this one, to the long side, it's still in the early phase. Okay, so just watch this one for a short squeeze. It wants to squeeze. The volume here is there, and in the middle there's absolutely nothing. Right, so just keep this one on your watch list as well. The next one that we're going to discuss in this video, that stock is NNDM. And NNDM so far is doing pretty great. I covered this one I think like 3 or 4 days ago. I showed y'all that if I told y'all, I think it was this weekend actually. Yeah, it was on the weekend video. I warned y'all about this bullish engulfing candle, that it was going to continue all the way up to $12. It's at 11.50 right now. I think it can go a lot higher than that within the next few days. The market is turning bullish right now, so for anybody who is holding calls, y'all about to get paid tomorrow. I think y'all about to get paid tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, my thoughts are not changing on this one. It's recovering. It's doing well. This one is good for a long play. All right, for a long play. The next one that we're going to discuss in this video, that stock is AMC. All right, and for those of y'all who watched, I think it was yesterday or this morning's pre-market analysis video, I told y'all AMC will go to $15. I told y'all, I warned y'all. All right, and it's there. It's at $14 right now. I think it can get just a little bit higher. I showed y'all the weekly chart. Again, bullish move, bullish momentum. Short sellers are scared. We are in this little circle here. Could we go higher? Yes, I think we can. But at all times, do not be too greedy. All right, pay yourself some as we climb up. It's very, very important. That way, just in case there's a pullback, you can always get back in at the low. Right. So pay yourself some as it's climbing up. All right, my thoughts and opinions are not changing on this one. But I did notice something that's really kind of weird though. As we know, when GME and all of these hype stocks, right? They used to move together like almost to the T. But now there's kind of this divergence happening with GME, and GME is kind of struggling right now. I zoomed out on purpose that way y'all can see this thing from a more farther perspective. It's not looking too great, and I think GME is gonna be left behind, and I think AMC is gonna keep like either going up or consolidated and going up. But GME right now, I don't think it's gonna make it. I think it's gonna go sideways and slowly fade until earnings. I'm not too confident about this one. But AMC for sure. And also, the contracts on GME are just terrible. Like, I'm not gonna lie. If you look at the contracts, they're terrible. The spreads are like super wide and it's very, very overpriced with premium. So it's just not something that I'm trading. I'm not trading this thing. So yeah, that is my very honest opinion of these two different stocks. Just something for y'all to think about as you try to trade these or if you want to trade them. All right. And that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel grow faster and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon, and the pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks after signing up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in tomorrow morning's video, alright? Enjoy the outro.